A program to celebrate and spotlight the communities of Meghalaya for their good work across various sectors of rural development and livelihood enhancements was held at the State Convention Centre, Shillong. A total of 12 communities and individuals were felicitated and provided with a platform to share their best practices and innovations. The program was organized under the IFAD Support Meghalaya LAMP project exclusively for the communities with the support of Meghalaya Basin Management Agency. In his address, Chief Guest Dr. Vijay Kumar, Commissioner and Secretary Government of Meghalaya, stated his delight at being able to participate at the mutual lesson learning experience. Also present were Gunanka DB, Joint Secretary, Government of Meghalaya and Additional Project Director of Community-led Landscape Management Project, and others.
We are doing a lot of interesting things in Meghalaya, especially in all the sectors we are doing well, whether it is in the sectors of community development, whether it is in the sectors of infrastructure, whether it is in the sectors of health, whether it is in the sectors of tourism, entrepreneurship. There are a lot of interesting things that are happening, and organizations like MBMA are leading the way in doing this in many sectors. But the important thing while we do this work is also to share these stories, because the world needs to be not just from our point of view. We are doing interesting things. When we do interesting things at a community level, it's a matter of pride for the community to articulate these stories to others.
The Garu community of Ripoi district, under the ban of